Hello friends, my name is Kalpesh Ganatra. Today I am going to do analysis on Adani Port, M&M and HDFC Life. Welcome to my channel Vidya Peet for Share Market. Today I am going to do analysis on Adani Port, M&M and HDFC Life. Yesterday I had given a BTST for Muthoot Finance, Infratel, Petronet and Havels. Muthoot Finance lot size was 750 and point gain was 29 and a profit amount was 21750. Infratel lot size was 2800, profit gain was 5 rupees and profit amount was 14,000. Petronet lot size was 3000 and points gain was 4 rupees and profit amount was 12,000. Havels lot size was 1000, point gain was 3.5 and so profit amount was 3500. So total profit was 51,250, which was a very good amount. So today now we are going to do analysis on Adani Port. I had selected Adani Port over here. I had selected period 1 year. I had selected range daily and I had selected type as candlestick. So this is a chart of Adani Port. Now let's see how it will perform. When Nifty was 7,500, Adani Port was 200 rupees. From there it has recovered till 370. That means it has gained 170 points. And from there it has corrected to 300. See here, it's 298. Let's assume it's 300. Okay, so it has corrected almost 20% from its high 370. So now according to the Elliott wave, its second wave will go from 300 to 450, 150 points. Actually I had given a BTST for Adani Port for target of 338. Look at here, 338 is a strong resistance for Adani Port. Once it crosses 338 with volume, the second resistance is here 362, and once it also crosses 362 with volume, the third resistance is 394. So one should go long with a stop loss of 298 for a target of 450. This was analysis for Adani Port. Now let's do analysis on M&M. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. I had selected Mahindra and Mahindra 1 year period, range daily, candle type. Let's see, when the Nifty was 7,500, it was 240. From there it has come till 620. That means that it was a very huge move. So according to me, M&M Finance, let's see the weekly basis, because from there we will get a clear idea. I'll select a period of 3 years and from here I'll select it weekly. I'll click on update. So here it is made a here it is on the resistance is 622. Once it crosses 672, it will go till 706. 706 is also resistance for this, but as there was a very good I'm buying from 242. It should come down till here. According to me, it should come till 540 or maybe here. This is a very strong support, 506. From here, it will again give a next rally for let's assume according to the Fibonacci 250, and here is 620. That means it has gained 350 points, around 350 points. So if it gets back to 500, then it will, from 500 it will get 350 points more. That means it will go till 800, 850. You can go long around 528 with a stop loss of 500 for a target of 850. This was an analysis of M&M Finance. Mahindra and Mahindra, sorry. Now we'll go to HDFC Life. Here we have selected 3-year period, 3-year range, weekly and type candlesticks. So you can see here it has made a triple top. From here it should come, according to me, when it has made triple top, and you can see every time it has touched 648, it has came down. First time it came down till 616, you can see here 616. Second time when it touched 648, it came till 632, and the third time 648, it came till 637. So according to me, you can go short in HDFC Life. The stop loss would be 20 rupees more. 648, 668 should be your stop loss, and for your first target would be here is a support. The first target would be around, say, 620. Second target would be 607. Second target would be 600. So you can go short in HDFC Life with a stop loss of 668. Your first target would be 620. Your second target would be 600, and your third target would be 584. So this was the analysis of HDFC Life Insurance. So please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, click on like button, share it to your friends who are doing share market, and do your own research before doing any trade, or consult your financial advisor before doing any trade. And this was only for educational purpose. Thank you very much.